The Unlit Lamp. In a quiet village nestled between two hills, lived a boy named Arjun. He wasn't the fastest, the brightest, or the strongest. But he had a dream to light the tallest lamp at the village temple, a ritual only the most respected person was allowed to perform during the annual festival. Every year, Arjun would watch as the village chief or a famous guest lit the lamp. He would silently promise himself, one day, I will be the one to climb that ladder. People often laughed at his dream. You're too ordinary, they said. You're not a warrior, not a scholar, not even a priest's son. But Arjun didn't let their words weigh him down. Instead, he focused on improving himself. Each morning, while the village slept, he ran up the temple steps to build his strength. Every evening, he sat by the elders, listening to stories, learning wisdom. He helped at the temple, cleaned the grounds, and watched every ritual with quiet attention. Years passed. Others chased glory and gave up when it didn't come easily. But Arjun remained consistent, never seeking praise, never asking for rewards. His quiet dedication began to catch the eyes of the villagers. The same people who once laughed at him began to nod with respect. One year, a storm hit the village a day before the festival. Trees were uprooted, the temple damaged, and the usual guest who lit the lamp couldn't make it. Fear settled in. Without the lighting, the festival couldn't begin. The chief called a meeting. We need someone who knows the ritual, is physically strong enough to climb the weakened ladder, and wise enough to do it with reverence. Murmurs filled the air. Then an elder spoke, there is someone who has been training quietly for years. Arjun. Gasps. Then silence. The chief turned to Arjun, will you do it? Arjun nodded. He didn't tremble. He didn't smile. He simply bowed and stepped forward. As he climbed the old ladder with the lamp in his hand, rain still dripping from the temple roof, everyone held their breath. He reached the top, lit the flame, and for a moment, the entire village was bathed in golden light. Cheers erupted. That night, as the festival began, people didn't just celebrate tradition, they celebrated determination. From then on, no one called Arjun ordinary. They called him the boy who lit the storm's darkness. And Arjun? He returned to his routine the next morning, quietly chasing the next step of growth, because for him, success was never the lamp, but the journey that led him there. The Unlit Lamp. In a quiet village nestled between two hills, lived a boy named